High-quality door changer wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The door changer wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality door changer wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Door changer wheel spacers offer easy and wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing door changer wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These door changer wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension components. Their performance benefits to upgrading with door changer wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the door changer wheel spacers provide a footy and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling door changer wheel spacers are considered perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 events. These door changer wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, the BONOSS active cooling door changer wheel spacers are designed with heat distribution rules to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. To ensure strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS active cooling door changer wheel spacer feature ISO 999 wheel studs as well as ISO grade 10 lug-nut. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SDS and TÜV certification reports. In addition, BONOSS active cooling door changer wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling door changer wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.